Got me some dual caliper brakes, boys. Twice the stopping strength. Yeah, buddy. Time to spray them down. Got them slightly clean. Enough for them to look good. How to put on these big brakes, you ask? Easy. Simple bolt-on, made for the Ford Mustang for the front brakes. Get you a lug wrench, 13/16. Put it on the tire, over the lug nuts, and of course, pull off the wheel. Like so. And now you got your old brake calipers, your single pistons, ready to be upgraded. You can see the difference already. You want to make a big difference. You got your big boy brakes ready to be big boy installed. Make your big boy stopping power with your big boy acceleration power. Yeah, be a big boy. This right here, boys and girls, it's going to require you to bring out the guns. Have you never broken one of these loose before? Yeah, you're going to bring out the big guns. Oh. I mean, you don't need to have big muscles, but you got to have some strength on you. I was at the yard trying to get the new ones off. Man, buddy. For those about to try it, let me tell you, those brakes, they take some real force. Now, I'm not talking 50 pounds. It might be about 100 pounds or so. But yeah, just get ready for that. Anyways, behind the brake, that's a 15mm. One up here, one down there. Just get ready for that. Just get ready for that. And don't forget to remove the rear part of your brake, or you're not going to get your line off. So this is a 10mm. You also need to cut the dust shield, because you see how much space is there now? Not much, and that was after clearancing. I cut off about that much. If you don't do that, yeah, you'll throw yourself a temper tantrum like I did, wondering why it won't fit. Got them on. Direct bolt on. No problem. Before, after. Big difference. Big difference. Big difference. Look what just popped, almost bit me. Open the door, this boy almost bit me. This thing poisonous? Hope not. Oh, shit. Yeah, I don't know. You also have to grind this area of the brake caliper. Otherwise, it won't sit flush with the caliper, and you won't get a tight seal. You see how it's hitting? There we go. A few Dremel action and a few grinder action. And yep, it's clearanced. Don't trip out. Your brake lines will not sync up. So what you do is trace your hard line, your hard brake line, and just bend it to wherever you need to. So those go up there a little bit, and then they come back down. And the passenger side is this one. Just get two of these, put one on each side of where you want to bend, here and here, and bend you a 90, and it'll get it longer, and then you can tie it up here. Easy enough. You understand? Not that bad. Don't worry. I'm going to tie it with wire ties in 2 spots. So, yeah, should be good to go. Ready to test. They're already mounted, ready to bleed. I'm not going to bleed the brakes yet. I've still got a Hydrau e-brake to install. Once you got it bent to how you want to, turn your wheel both directions. Make sure it doesn't pull too hard on it. This determines where you want to tie. So turn your wheel. As you might be able to see, it did pull a little bit, so I'm going to give it a little more of a bend over here, and it'll give it more length. Alright, you see I bent it a little more. Should be able to hang it now. because plenty of slack. Plenty of slack. Now it's ready for action. So until next time, peace.